Hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Reclaimed Threads. Today we're going to learn how to put in eyelets, and these are 4mm eyelets. I did get these from Hobby Lobby, and they came with this tool here that works for the 4mm eyelets. Now, in case you don't know, a 4mm eyelet is equivalent to the 3/16, and so you can see that this brand We Are is a hole puncher. Comes in different sizes here, and 3/16 is what we're going to use for the 4mm eyelets. So what we'll need is, depending on what type of project that you're doing, you can use this for paper or for material or any type of crafting project. I'll give you a quick example just on the cartboard. This is actually from the toolkit that I got, and it works pretty good. So this will be an easy one for you to show, an easy way for you to see how this is done. So we'll take our hole puncher, and if you don't have this kind of hole puncher, you can use a regular hole puncher. The hole size is fairly close. We'll go ahead and punch this, make a hole in here, and we're going to go ahead and place this eyelet, and you will do the smooth side down here. This tool actually has two ends. You can see the point in this side, and then the other side of this receptacle is flat. So in order to crunch this eyelet in this cartboard, we'll go ahead and flip this around so the pointy side is actually going to be on the under side of this eyelet, and then we'll just go ahead and crimp. And you'll see how nice and easy that was to make a very smooth eyelet that you can hang charms from, or tie a ribbon, or you could do a lace design if you were doing some type of crafting or fidget mat, for example. And that was fairly easy. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate that in a piece of material. So this material, it looks like it might be a blend of cotton, and it might have some rayon or polyester in it. There's not really a lot of stretch to it. A little bit of stretch, but not a lot. So we'll go ahead and we're going to use the same tool. Get that little piece out of there. We'll use the same tool, 3/16 size again, and we'll go ahead and just punch the end. Now, it didn't quite cut all the way through, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little pair of scissors, and we'll just cut that little piece out there. And we'll go ahead and we'll take our eyelet, and we'll put the smooth side up, and then of course the little barrel side is going to be on the underside. And again, it'll be the same thing. So this little pointy nipple side, we want that on the barrel side or the underside of this eyelet. So we'll go ahead and put that in there in position, and hopefully I've lined it up correctly. Okay, and there you can see that you have the smooth eyelet and then the smooth backside to this little project here. And so you can use this same technique in multiple different scenarios and fabrics. You can even use these eyelets in leather, in paper crafting. The eyelets come with an enamel colored base. There's plenty of options for you when you're designing your craft item. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little demonstration of how to place an eyelet in material and then a paper type of product. And again, just as a reminder, you can get these on Amazon. You certainly can get them at your local craft stores. I just happened to pick these items up from Hobby Lobby. It's a close run from my house, so easy for me to get to. So good luck with your project, and thanks for visiting us at Reclaimed Threads.